guys, welcome back to the beauty room for another video. So today we're in my bedroom, so you're kind of actually getting a sneak peek. Today I want to decorate my Christmas tree because I'm going to put a Christmas tree in our bedroom right over there. So if you like those types of videos, then let's get into it. Okay, so I totally forgot how annoying this tree is. You have to put in like every little, piece, like rung, like every little branch, rung by rung, until you get up to the top. So like I'm like probably like halfway done. So then I have to get like to the top. So I got like 2 more rows. So we're gonna finish those, and then we're gonna start decorating. I definitely need to invest into a new tree. Like I said, with everything getting bought up at the store, like it's so hard to find Christmas tree. Like you can't get a Christmas trees. Like most of the ornaments are gone. Like it's really hard to get anything. So I figured like, well, sheesh, I'll just go ahead and use the tree that I have. But I'm definitely going to see if I can get me a Christmas tree after Christmas, or order one or something for next year, because this one, I'm done with her. Like she takes way too long. And I definitely need to get a new tree, like one of those like drop and go ones. So I'm probably gonna have to look and like order one or something, because this one is not my friend. all done decorating the tree. So now I just need to get the topper on there and then she'll be all done. Okay, so I can't find our Christmas star. I think we lost it somehow in our move. Like when we moved, some things got lost and moved around. So I don't know where our Christmas, like my Christmas tree star is. It might still be in storage, or maybe it didn't make it to this house. I don't know. I'll have to buy another one, but I'm just gonna use a bow, like a gold bow, to top it until I can see if I can find my Christmas star, or I might have to buy a new one. This is really how you decorate a tree. It's frustrating, it takes time, you know, you don't have the things you need, whatever, but you make it work. So let's go. Come on, do it like that. Oh, I'm tired. Let's go. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed decorating the tree with me in my bedroom. My little Christmas tree in my bedroom. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe down below if you enjoyed my Christmas tree decorate with me fail. And I will see you in the future. Bye! I definitely need to invest in a pre-lit tree, okay? Because this took all my life, okay? And all my time. So, yeah, definitely getting a pre-lit tree. Can't take this no more. But she came out and she looked kind of pretty. She actually looks kind of pretty though, even though it was frustrating. But it looks pretty good.